I soon done work. Me will come home around 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Make sure you take out the meat for tar out. So when me come home, I can cook it for uno. Yeah?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I wanted to tell you
Yeah.
about
What? About what?
the teacher. The teacher called me
The teacher.
today and tell me about you, you know.
Mom.
She said, "Oh, you did hang out with Suzette, and Uno did cause trouble in a class."
It wasn't me.
Tanisha,
Yeah.
me no want hear nobody call me about that here.
Okay.
Make sure when you're there at school, you act decent.
Okay.
You act like you get some home training.
Okay. But it
I
wasn't.
make the teacher call me phone at work.
Mom.
I complain about you.
Mom.
Yeah?
Mom.
And one next thing.
Yeah?
What you do with that little girl there?
She's my friend.
Let me tell you about that little girl
she's
there.
my friend.
How many times me tell you say my spirit not take her?
I know, but
Yeah?
she's not
And
a
you
bad...
still hang out with her.
She's not a bad person, Mom.
You still not listen to me. Me tell her if you keep inside of the house when she come and knock upon my door.
I know.
And you still go answer the door.
I'm sorry.
I look now, the teacher called me now about say you and her did in a class or go on like fool.
It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Tanisha, you know see how this girl bad for you? Me not raise you so you know. You have one mother and you have one father and only per brother.
I know.
So me don't know where you're going. So only per people come and correct you when you do wrong.
I know.
But you have this little nasty dryad girl.
She's my
I turn you in a
friend.
fool?
She's
Tanisha, may I tell you
not.
one more time? I may not tell you again.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
My spirit can't take her.
Okay.
And you see, when my spirit tell me something,
Yes.
it means them no good.
Okay.
Them no good.
Okay.
No.
Yes.
Me tell you this, and I want you to remember.
Okay.
Because me no want nothing wrong with you.
I know, Mom.
Yeah?
I know.
And nobody come back and tell me say me did right.
Okay.
Because me no want to hear that.
Okay. I will, Mom.
Every time you see her, me get angry. Let me see your little friend. Me
Yeah.
just appear angry me depend. And me know say that is not for no reason. Yeah?
Yeah.
Mommy know things. Me can't feel it.
Mm-hmm.
She no good. So, make sure you act proper and you do good.
Yes,
Come on, me
Mom.
want best for you, yeah?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Bye, me darling.
Bye,
Mommy love you.
I love you too.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Remember now, take out the chicken.
Okay.
Come soon come home.
Okay.
I'm want to cook for Uno.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
All right.